A Revolut SEPA transfer is a type of payment method that allows users to send and receive euros within the Single Euro Payments Area. SEPA stands for Single Euro Payments Area, and it is a European Union initiative that aims to simplify and harmonize payments across the region. To make a Revolut SEPA transfer, you need to have a Revolut account, and the recipient must have a bank account that is part of the SEPA network. The process of making a SEPA transfer is straightforward and can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to log in to your Revolut account and navigate to the Payments section. Then you need to select the account you want to send money from and enter the recipient's IBAN number. The IBAN number is a unique identifier that is used to identify the recipient's bank account. You can find the IBAN number on the recipient's bank statement or by asking them to provide it to you. Once you have entered the IBAN number, you can enter the amount you want to send and select the currency, which in this case is euros. The SEPA transfer is usually processed on the same day if the payment is made before the cutoff time, which is usually in the afternoon. The transfer is also very cost-effective as the fees are usually very low or even free depending on the type of Revolut account you have. One of the benefits of using Revolut SEPA transfer is that it is very convenient and can be done from the comfort of your own home. You can also track the status of your payment in real time, which gives you peace of mind. Additionally, Revolut SEPA transfer is a very secure way of making payments as it uses the latest security protocols to protect your transactions. In conclusion, Revolut SEPA transfer is a fast, convenient, and cost-effective way of sending and receiving euros within the SEPA network. It is a great option for individuals and businesses that need to make regular payments across Europe. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can make a Revolut SEPA transfer with ease and take advantage of the many benefits it has to offer.